appreciating our planet and its natural beauty, start with seeing it through a different pair of eyes. We traveled thousands of kilometers across distant lands to reach the most extreme environments on Earth. It's here, in the remotest parts of our planet, in total isolation, that lived the two brave men who became the unlikely ambassadors for our natural world and a way of life that's disappearing. Created an Instagram account for each of them, the very first account of their kind, so that they could share their unique lives with us firsthand. And remind us that it's still possible to live in harmony with nature, using the only phone designed for extreme environments. They've opened a window into their unique worlds.
Ayo pengerece, ayam irasta pun manusia ira ata.
Because after all, a simple photo or video can open our eyes and reconnect us to a world we've lost touch with. Follow Bote, an eagle hunter from Mongolia, and Kuja, an Achuar from the Amazon rainforest, and reconnect with nature.